Boy, look at this shit, boy. Somebody gonna say, bro, you fucking crazy, man. But I find this shit bougie as fuck, man. Cause you know me, I'm just a simple ass nigga. But Chipotle and the pewi together, bro. Yeah, I came to fucking pick up an order, man, for pewi. This ain't no weed right now, bro. It's just a fucking black and mild calm now. I'm dashing right now, nigga. I can't pick up an order, then add another order to my fucking route, so now I gotta wait. Told these niggas I give them 5 minutes. Hurry up. Chop, chop, chop. Huh? Oh, chopsticks? Alright, we're gonna get them chopsticks on deck. You want me to grab some? Alright, got you. That's fed in the car. Julie in the car too, everybody. That's with my whole family, nigga. Very good.